Strawberry Calzone. We're outside, guys. We're going to the beach, but we stopped at CMS. And I want to take a video of the church house. I'm here with the girls. There's another one behind. She's just far away. So...
This is the beach vlog. Let's go, guys.
I'm not angry again.
Natural disasters. My baby is built around me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feel like I can shoot. And I swear it feel like I can shoot. Will you never know? You don't know my pain. And when we make love, you don't know my pain. Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. You don't know my pain. Everything I need is sweet, knows that. Every time I look into your eyes, you're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feel like I can shoot. And I swear
Let's scream in this time.
You're not so scary anymore, guys.
Never fast now, why?
Don't you love when I come around? Tell you but then I take you down. Don't you love when I come around?
Oh, this is so nice. Hello. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Wow. Certain days I appreciate my camera, guys. Because why is this so beautiful though?
Do you recall
Oh my God.
late summer nights? We were moving through the city under broken lights.
The farm,
No plans ahead,
the family.
just time to wait.
Look, my
Every little promise fading in the haze.
it's going to be out next week though.
Running through the quiet, trying to
Hiya. Just say hi.
stay reminded we don't know it all. Blow up a sign, let it go when the ground is shaking underneath us. Lose the fight, feel it slow. All I want is someone to lean on. Hands good, light, hearts exposed when the world is pulling us apart now. Through the noise, through it all I want is someone.
The bathroom is so nice, and they even have like makeup stuff. Guys, I can't wait to open my own restaurant. Like, you guys ready for me though?
That's true.
Are you guys ready for me though? You guys, this is my outfit for today. It's a bit rumpled, and this is not what I wanted to wear. But it works with the aesthetic. It's white. Annabelle made this for me. If you're watching this, Annabelle, love you, babes. And I'll show you your own outfits.
Right, guys, this is not what I wanted to wear, but I guess it fits. Top from my mom, wearing the jeans, and yes.
Angela, your turn, please.
Please, I want to eat with the same boy. Hi guys, this is my outfit.
I only said I like enjoyment, of course. I'm a soft girl.
Yeah.
You guys, the food is taking forever to come. Everybody's quite exhausted. For me, I'm chilling. It's cold. Having a good time. My legs are crossed. And I like anything that's going to make me cross my leg.
Oh, I said toilet.
Water. Think about it.
I want you to marry the hand.
No,
Who's
the imposter? Angela, you. Envy. Angela, no.
But what is mirror?
You want to play?
No, I
That reflection.
Thank you so much, guys. Much love. It's about to go down. Somebody should turn on the light for me. There you go. Let me taste this. Quite excited though. Okay.
Running through the quiet, trying not to fall. Every step.
Hi guys, this is my baby Vera, this is Rejoice, and that's my Mrs. Pam. We're going to, where are we going? Panaroti. Or we're just gonna have a girls' day and we're going to be happy. Bye.
I could be the twist that make you stop. The icing on your cake, the cherry on the top. It's heaven in my heart, and we could find some space. I could be the word to your missing piece, that extra sentimental kind of chemistry. Some people make it hard, to me that isn't the case. 'Cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and fall into us. I'm the perfect mixer, Saturday night and the rest of your life in it. One with a heart would agree. It's so easy falling in love with me. The way I do my hair, the way I make you laugh, the way we like to share a walk in Central Park. I could be fresh air, might be the girl of your dreams.
It's the afro for me.
Yes.
No need to hide if you're into me, 'cause I'm into you quite intimately. And maybe one night could turn into.
Welcome to the end project. Let me show you what's popping here. That is Amara, and we are setting up for the surprise birthday. Some real technique over here.
just
I wanted it and God
just wanted it.
and God
just
gave it.
balanced it.
Guys, we're outside and it's Nana's birthday. You guys, we're so happy and our room is actually not bad. Can I not fall? And that's the birthday girl.
Hi guys.
And we have dinner later today. Makeup. Hi. This is my outfit for the dinner.
Yes, I
Can't
can.
really see. Hold on, bring it down a bit. Sorry, I couldn't find like better angle. I really feel so nice and pretty and girly.
Sorry, the network is really ass. Sorry.
Nana, come and show us your outfit.
Hi guys. My fit is from Shein.
What's that? Oh, it's Simi!
I'm done if you put off this camera now.
Hi, Simi!
You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got Had a few niggas ride it out for me. Tell me, baby, will you slide for me? Keep the Glock 40 holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but so good with just me, yeah. When I'm really low, will you still come up for me? Going best to make me feel lovely. When I go where you still think of me. I need to know for sure, 'cause you got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got caught my interest, talking that shit, so intriguing. We could go far, go the distance. I could see it. I'm not trying to be your my hopes up. If you're over me, then let me.
Struggling. They don't love me anyway. They don't love me anyway. Struggling. They don't love me anyway. Don't get my feelings hurt. I know the ceiling's gone. Don't get my feelings hurt. This time I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt. Don't say I'm not the one. Don't get my
Hi guys, good morning and welcome to the something of my vlog. Nana, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So we are at Milk and Honey and we're here for a breakfast even though it's almost 12. Let me show you my wallpaper. So we are going to do our vision boards. Do we have Wi-Fi? No.
We have what?
Wi-Fi. Yeah. But we're going to do our vision boards and have breakfast. So it's very nice to be in Lagos, very happy. And this is the life that we really choose. Very slow, you know.
No stress, guys.
And it's very noisy.
What's up, girls?
if I was just lost, then my life would be yours. So give me a name, give me something to react by it. Wake me up and dance, give me something to react by it. I I'm the vibe out to get. Hey, I'm the vibe out to get. I'm the vibe out to get. Away. I'm the vibe out to get. Hey, I'm the vibe out to get. Vibe. And that's the vibe. Love and desire. Love and desire. Baby, vibe. And that's the vibe. Love and desire. Love and desire. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my eyes. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind my mind, it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right there, I really need to.
Okay guys, I'm trying to pick up around coach. I don't know what it is. So you guys, I'm going to start posting on my TikTok. You guys should please try and like my video. And if you, whenever you see this when you're back abroad, love you so much. Thank you for everything. Yeah, bye.
This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. I need to give up my bed. I need to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right here, I really need my love. I really need to bring my love. I really need I really need, I need to bring my mind on. I really need to bring my love. I really need to Let me freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now. Yeah, to set me free. Now I need to find release. Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind. Yeah.
I'm so tired today. Hello guys, welcome to another day of our little adventure. Today we're at Frosty Pops and we're having this popsicles. Mine is the mango and strawberry, and Nana is having
You guys, I'm sorry, I don't remember the flavor I got. I think dragon something, dragon flower, dragonfly. But yeah, guys. Okay.
That's interesting. This tastes like mango. Love it. My camera, the quality looks funny today. The lighting in this place is very not good. And I'm very tired today. I'm showing you my nails every day because I really like my nails. How it looks like.
Personally, I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we was it more than just some more fling. I said farewell, you took it well. I missed the crowd, just spilled milk. Give me a hour, give me another vow, give me another hour or two, hour or two. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you gotta want me? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better, know you crew better than you do. Call me looking for it, I'll be looking for it. Got me looking forward to weekend. Show, baby, show, baby, show, baby, show. We do whatever we want, do whatever we want, love however we want. It don't matter. We do whatever I want, give whatever I want, give whatever I need. It's about
Okay, testing 1 2. Hi guys, we are at Slow Lagos and everybody's going to say what they think about the meal. I think it's a 10 over 10. I think it was amazing, perfect, nothing more, no more, no less.
Yeah, I thought I was not going to like anything, but the food is a 10, guys.
It's a 10, guys.
Yeah.
Ben, I'm passing the mic to you.
Okay. Hi guys, so the food is exceptional, so amazing. Give it a 10. Fuck it.
Hi guys, I think the food is good, it's perfect. It's so nice. It's 10 over 10 for me.
Thank you so much. Love it. Oh my days. I don't want to go back to Ireland. I want to stay here. I don't want to go nowhere, man. Okay, another thing to add to the list. They gave us like shots when we came, like these whatever this shot, and I got it as a drink, and it's so nice. It has basil, lemon, pineapple, and ginger. Beautiful stuff. You are what?
Struggling.
You are what?
I'm struggling.
So sorry, you're far away though. You guys, so Lagos is a 10 over 10 over 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 30, 10, everything. I'm so happy. Oh, you guys, I think this is my last vlog in Lagos, Nigeria. I don't really know how I feel. Quite sad, but I'm well fed. Perfect. Hi guys, I look so rough and I shouldn't be coming on here looking this rough, but it's my channel and you can't do anything about it. You guys, my holiday is over. I'm literally traveling back to school tomorrow and I'm so excited to go back to school. I miss school a lot, but I wouldn't say I'm sad going, but I am. I just finished crying even. Because I really had such a nice time and I really needed to come back home, and you have no idea. Like I really needed to come back home. I really needed like the physical presence of my family and my friends, and just to be around like people who understand me. And I can't be crying, I'm too hard for that. But I'm so happy though. I'm going to be coming back again, hopefully, and at least for now that I'm still a student, before I start to work, and then I won't have time again for family. So for now I think I still be coming back home every Christmas before everybody grows up and then we don't have the time anymore. This is really the end of my time in Nigeria, and it was the best time ever. It was the best time ever. I think it would take me through the whole year, and a part of me also doesn't really want to, like, of course I'm going to hold on to it, but I feel like I also need to learn how to have fun. Fun is so important. Like fun is so important. Fun is where memories are, and not just like crazy fun, but just like time with family. Like just, you know, I feel like this year I want to be more intentional about like who I'm around, the people I'm with, because I'm very sentimental. Like my heart really holds on to like stuff, and you can't just be around anyhow people. So this year I'm going to try to be very happy. I'm going to try to vlog a lot more this year, because vlogging was so amazing, you know, with everybody just being able to just be with my camera, like me just being able to put my camera somewhere. My camera also was the best decision I made in 2025. My best money purchase, or whatever you want to call it. It was the best thing ever. Yeah, I'm going back to school. I'm very happy, because I really miss school a lot, and I really like the whole structure that comes to school. I miss my teachers. I look, miss my classmates, and I don't really know why. but I miss like the whole like fun of class. But it's going to be serious. It's more serious this semester, but I'm down for it. I really miss school because I feel like it's the only thing that actually makes me feel my age, and I really want to hold on to it as long as I still have it. So yeah, this is the end of this vlog. I love everybody in this vlog. You see, anybody you saw in this vlog, I love them so much, too much even. Every single person you've seen in this vlog, I love them so much with all my heart, and I can't wait to see them again. I really can't wait to see them again. I can't wait to build more memories with them again. But even though really distance is important, distance is needed and all of that, but I really can't wait to see everybody again. And I really love you. But thank you for such an amazing time. Oh my God. Thank you for such an amazing time. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for just loving me back and just really being so sweet. I love you people so much with all my heart. Thank you, and thank God for giving me all these people that I have and that love me too. I'm so happy. Like you have no idea how much this vacation has healed me. I'm really going to hold on to it for a long time, but I'm very excited for what's going to happen in 2026. 2026 for me is going to be very chill. I don't want to do too much. I'm not under any pressure of any kind. I'm just living my life as a girl. So yeah, vlogs, school vlogs, work vlogs, random vlogs. I can't wait for the summer because I want to travel in the summer, whether within Ireland, outside of Ireland, whatever the plan is. This year I really want to just live. Not in a way it's funny, but I really just want to live. And you know, life is long and you can only make it fun. So thank you, thank God. I love you so much, but God loves you more. So